I mean, you know, a majority of people get their brochures printed, you know, and they have to incur that huge cost to not only have it designed, but to have them printed, and then having to distribute them. And, you know, a lot of times you get all of these brochures and they sit somewhere because you are not really interacting with people or going anywhere to distribute them, you know. And then if people look at them, maybe they throw them away. I don't know. So, you know, and how hard is it to change the content on it, you know, for something that's printed? Well, not with a flipping book. You can simply go into your PDF file, make those edits and additions, and upload the new file. So that is one